Experiment: measurement of minor, major and effective diameter of screw thread using floating carriage micrometer. This setup is of the floating carriage micrometer. It consists of electronic micrometer. It is adjusted on this floating carriage, uh, left side of the floating carriage. On the right side of the floating carriage we have dial gauge indicator. Now I have adjusted a threaded nut on these two probes. There is also the locking arrangement for holding it. Now we can see here this diagram. Here the effective diameter is the diameter between centers of two threads. This is wire outer diameter, that is diameter over wire, DO. DO can be calculated like this: DO is equal to DS plus RT minus RC. DS is the diameter of setting cylinder. RT is equal to reading on threaded object, which we get from this setup. RC, the reading on setting cylinder. Effective diameter can be calculated as DE is equal to DO minus 2D plus capital P. Here, where P, capital P, that is pitch value, is equal to 0.866 P, that is pitch of the screw thread, minus D, that is wire diameter. D is equal to diameter of wire and P is equal to screw thread pitch. Now when we will take the readings, here we will get two readings, uh, that will give, we can see the observation table for three readings. We will take two readings from, we will take two readings for the threaded object, which will be from left side and right side, and thus we can calculate the wire diameter as well as the effective diameter of the thread.